Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? So, ano ba topic natin today? Ito. Ah, medyo naglalag ako kasi nga kakatapos lang ng mag-gym. Eh, syempre, our body is still naninibago. Okay, kaya let me adjust. But anyways, um, there's always been a topic na I've always wanna cover, or parang I guess this should be a public knowledge na dapat by Friday hindi na po tayo nagte-trade. Okay?
Bruh. You freaking serious? My gosh.